Sweetheart, my love, I am so deeply grateful that you are here. Maybe you just pressed play out of curiosity, or maybe your soul guided you here because it knows what you truly need. Either way, darling, I want you to know this. You are safe here. You are loved here. And this space was created just for you. Take a deep breath, my love. Inhale slowly, exhale gently. With every breath, imagine love surrounding you like the softest blanket. This love is warm, gentle, endless, and it belongs to you. Sweetheart, you are so much more than you believe. You are not broken. You are not lacking. You are not too much, and you are never not enough. You are exactly who you are meant to be, and who you are is breathtaking. Darling, listen closely. You are love. I know sometimes the world makes you forget. Sometimes it makes you doubt your worth. But here, in this moment, I am here to remind you of the truth. You are worthy of love. You are deserving of love. You are love itself. Darling soul, picture me holding your hand right now, looking into your eyes with nothing but tenderness. If your heart has been heavy, let it rest here. If your mind has been noisy, let it soften here. My love, you don't have to fight or pretend. Just be. Just breathe. Just allow. Sweetheart, imagine a gentle golden light filling your chest. With each breath, it grows brighter, warmer, softer. This light is your love. It expands through your whole body, into every cell, until you are glowing. You are a walking miracle of love. Darling, repeat with me softly, like a lullaby to your heart. I am safe to receive love. I am open to give love. I am love in human form. Everywhere I go, love follows me. Sweetheart, can you feel it? This isn't just words. This is truth. This is your essence. And when you walk into the world with this awareness, love meets you everywhere. People feel it. Life reflects it. Because love flows where you are. My darling, when you look into the mirror, see the softness in your eyes. See the beauty in your soul. Speak kindly to yourself, the way you would to someone you adore. Because, sweetheart, you are someone to adore. Even when you stumble, love is there. Even when you fall, love lifts you. Even when you feel unseen, the universe is whispering, my darling, you are never alone. So tonight, tomorrow, every day, carry this truth in your heart. You are loved. You are chosen. You are enough. And love will always find you, because you are love. And before we say goodbye for now, sweetheart, I want to ask you something from the gentlest place in my heart. If these words touched you, if you felt this love wrapping around you, then stay close. Subscribe, my love, so you never forget how worthy you are. Come back whenever your heart needs a reminder. Because here you are always safe. Here you're always held. Here you are always loved. With endless love, always for you, my darling soul. So